Hey everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So today is Friday, and what is Friday?
YouTube shout out!
Pew pew pew! That is correct. Let's get into it.
I'm coming home.
Alrighty y'all, so I'm starting my YouTube shoutouts again this week. We weren't able to do a video with shoutouts last week, and I am going to be redoing those and putting them in a new video. But also, the main bulk of this video is air fryer chicken wings. Get them done in less than 20 minutes. They're so good, so easy, so you'll want to stick around through the entire video to see that, because it's going to be at the end. But I'm switching up how I do my shoutouts now. So when I do my
YouTube shout outs!
pew pew pew, I'll be showing some fun thumbnails of the great channels that I'm shouting out, because most of y'all don't want to look at me the whole time. This is the first
YouTube shout out!
pew pew pew, and that is the one and only Barefoot Lass. Let's give her a good old solid pew pew pew. The second
YouTube shout out!
pew 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 is Sherry and Bobby at Black's Tropical Homestead. It's the soil brother and sister. Let's give them a pew pew pew. And the third
YouTube shout out!
pew 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 is Jay and Cheryl at Celtic Roots Farm. Let's give them a pew pew pew. And y'all know, with our shout outs, you can follow us on Instagram at Ormsby Farm and on Facebook, and I post our shout outs. But also on our YouTube channel, they will be the top 3 featured channel all week. So make sure you are liking and subscribing to these channels, because these are some great YouTube channels. So y'all, I'm hungry. It's time to make some chicken wings, some air fryer chicken wings.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homie. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homie.
So let's jump on into it. Alrighty, so here is the start off of these air fryer chicken wings. So I'm doing this real easy tonight, y'all. So you want to take some olive oil, make sure it's extra virgin, and I'm gonna put maybe a fourth of a cup, maybe just enough to coat a little bit of all these wings that I have. And then we're gonna add some spices. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a recipe. I don't do much of a recipe for this, but I'll add it in the description box. And they're gonna add some onion powder. And if you notice this Stone Mill, right now, it's an Aldi brand. And I love Aldi. Y'all know I like Aldi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip this up. I'm going to shake it so it's nicely coated. And I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to put it into the COSORI air fryer. Alrighty, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. I told you this was going to be a very informal video. I'm just laying all of the chicken wings on a single layer in my air fryer that I have sprayed or wiped down with olive oil or oil of some sort. Some people use coconut oil, whatever. So it's all in there, and I'm going to just put it straight into the air fryer. We're going to turn the air fryer on, and I do 400-degree Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. And then we'll give it a check at 17 minutes and see how they're crispy. We may shake it around and do like maybe 4 or 5 more minutes. But then you're just gonna press play. We'll see you in 17 minutes, y'all. Chicken wings, chicken wings. And it just beeped. Look, you hear that, y'all? This is from air frying. Are you for real? So what we're gonna do though is I'm gonna take it off. With the COSORI, if y'all want me to do a COSORI review and guide of the air fryer, leave a comment in the comment section. But right here on the COSORI, you're gonna push this and press the button that lifts this basket out. And I just like to give it a good little shake, like you do with a regular fryer. And I'm gonna look at it. They all look pretty good, but we like crispy wings here on Ormsby Farm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in for 400 for about 4 minutes. So I'm gonna press the temp and time. I'm gonna go up to 400. And I'm gonna go down to, let's just say 5 minutes. We'll get them crispy. And then you're gonna press play. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Chicken wings, chicken wings. Alrighty, it has gone up again, y'all. So let's, ooh, yum. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna toss it back into the green one with our buffalo sauce, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, and then you add some buffalo sauce. We really like the Kroger Buffalo Mild. You can make your own. If you wanna see a recipe, click that thumbs up. I put a little bit of ranch or blue cheese, toss it, and then they're delicious, plated up with a salad. So yes, dinner. You see the smoke? The smoke's already there. Yummy. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to this very quick what's for dinner chicken air fryer recipe. Y'all, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you know anytime that new content drops to our channel. Follow us on social media at Ormsby Farm, at Instagram and Facebook. Make sure that you're also joining into our Beginner Homesteader Facebook group and watching our Homesteading 101 collaboration video playlist. Y'all, thank you so much for stopping by our homestead. We'll see you next video. Be blessed.
I'm coming home.